Morning students, we are doing tenses and we have done our exercise till here. We are discussing present tense and present continuous tense. We are not done with this part, so let's discuss this part. Mohit dash for a morning walk daily. Here is go. So what will come here? Mohit is going for a morning walk daily. कि वो रोज morning walk के लिए जा रहा है. He dash up at 5:30 a.m. is going for a morning walk daily. He dash at 5:30. So what will come? Gets, because it is his routine. Getting up नहीं आएगा. He is getting up नहीं आएगा. वो उठ रहा है नहीं. He gets up at 5:30 a.m. मतलब वो रोज 5:30 बजे उठता है. तो it is his habit and goes for a brisk walk in park nearby. उठता है और रोज जाता है कहाँ? पार्क, नियर बाय पार्क वो रोज वॉक करने जाता है. सो एंड गोज फॉर अ ब्रिस्क वॉक इन पार्क नियर बाय. ही डैश बैक एट 6:30. सो दिस पैराग्राफ is giving us the routine of Mohit, that what does he do throughout the day. Okay, so what he does, he comes back at 6:30. वो 6:30 बजे तक वापस आ जाता है and leaves for his school at 7:30. so इतने बजे जो है वो वापस स्कूल से वापस आ जाता है, स्कूल के लिए जाता है. ओके, so till here it is his routine. Okay, it is here his routine, all his routine. Here is going नहीं आएगा. Here Mohit goes. Corrected. Mohit goes for a morning walk daily. So everything till here it is his routine. कि रोज वो सुबह क्या करता है. रोज मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाता है, कितने बजे जाता है, कब आता है. So till here it is routine. And from here today means today's action. Here his today's action is talked about, what he is doing right now. Okay, so what he is doing today, he is not feeling well, कि आज उसे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. It is happening, ये हो रहा है उसके साथ. The action is taking place. Okay, so he is not feeling well, so he is thinking of reading a book. So वो क्या सोच रहा है? बुक पढ़ने की सोच रहा है instead of going for a daily walk. So daily walk पे नहीं जाने के बजाय बुक पढ़ने की सोच रहा है. He is thinking. So he is thinking about doing action. He is doing action. Thinking is an action. वो सोच रहा है. Okay, so these two lines suggest the action which is going on. And till here those routines which takes place daily, जो रोज होती हैं, अभी नहीं हो रही हैं, right now नहीं हो रही. क्यों? क्योंकि आज तो वो बीमार है, he is ill. But till here his routine is discussed that he does this and this at the time, but now today he is not well, that is why he is not doing all these things. Okay, then we having this worksheet 3. Before discussing it, let's do this so that you can understand it well. So non-action verbs. This is the term non-action verb. Some verbs are called action verb. Okay, because of verb we come to know that what is happening. Okay, verb is an action verb. Verb tells us about that action is going on in a sentence. For example, he is running. So running is an action verb because running tells us that there is an action going in a sentence, that he is running. Okay, some are non-action verbs. Some non-action verbs are those which are verb actually, but they do not refers to any action. For example, he runs daily. Runs is an action verb. Okay, we got to know about that. Running is talked about here, but he runs daily. Runs is not an action verb because right now he is not running. It is telling us कि वो रोज दौड़ता है, but now right now he is not running, अभी नहीं दौड़ रहा है. तो running is action verb and runs is a non-action verb. Okay, so we have non-action verbs here. Non-action verbs, that is verbs that do not describe an action or not used in the continuous tense. So non-action verbs are not used in continuous tense. For example, the soup is tasting sour. Soup is tasting. Tasting is a, what is tasting? Tasting is action verb because action is taking place here right now while we are talking. ठीक है? The soup tastes sour. It is not, there is no action here. There is no action is going on here. Taste मतलब सूप इज टेस्टिंग सावर. सूप कैसा टेस्ट कर रहा है? खट्टा टेस्ट कर रहा है. इट मीन्स दैट अभी आप सूप टेस्ट कर रहे हो तब आप बता रहे हो. दिस सूप टेस्ट सार. जब आप सूप टेस्ट कर चुके हो या मतलब आप डेली उसको करते हो तो आपको पता है उसका टेस्ट कैसा, तो आप बोलो ये सूप खट्टा टेस्ट करता है. इट मीन्स दैट रोज आप सूप पीते हो और आपको पता है इसका टेस्ट क्या है. सो दिस टेस्ट, सूप टेस्ट सावर. सो टेस्ट इज नॉन एक्शन वर्ब एंड टेस्टिंग इज एक्शन वर्ब. ओके, words such as like, want, smell, know, own, etc. are non-action verbs. So these are non-action verb. These are verb but non-action verb. No action is going on here. So what you have to do here? Non-action verb. So you have to find out non-action verb sentences here. Read the sentences given below and tick the grammatically correct ones. Give a reason for your choice. So what is this here? I like this dress and I am liking this dress. So what is happening here? First sentence is I like this dress. So do you think any action is going on here? No, there is no action going on here. I like this dress means मुझे ये ड्रेस पसंद है. There is no action. I am liking this dress. मुझे ये ड्रेस पसंद आ रही है. मतलब you are doing an action. आपको पसंद आ रही है. You are doing an action. So what is, which one is non-action verb here? This one is non-action verb here. Like. Like is non-action verb. So you will tick here it right. Okay. Then second is Ravi is wanting to talk with you. Ravi wants to talk with you. Ravi is wanting to talk with you. मतलब right now he wanted to talk with you. अभी उसी वक्त वो तुमसे बात करना चाह रहा है. अभी right now he is wanting to talk to you. Ravi wants to talk to you. मतलब वो आपसे बात करना चाहता है. रोज चाहता है, आप कभी भी उससे जाके बात कर लो. ओके. बट राइट नाउ यहाँ पे रवि अभी बात करना चाह रहा है. ही वॉन्ट्स टू टॉक टू यू राइट नाउ. अभी बात करना चाह रहा है. तो इसमें नॉन एक्शन वर्ब कौन सा है? वॉन्ट्स. वॉन्ट्स इज अ नॉन एक्शन वर्ब. सो वी विल टेक इट हियर. ओके. These are other one. The room freshener smells good. Room freshener is smelling good. Room freshener smells. Smells is non-action verb and smelling is action verb. Okay. I have told you that the verb with ing, it means continuous tense. Continuous means action is going on. So it is very easy to figure out that which one. This one is action verb. This one is non-action verb. So you will take it here. Rest of these 3 sentences you will do on your own self. Okay. 3 I have done for you. These 3 you will do it because it's easy to figure out now which one is action verb and which one is not. Okay. Now the table below gives common non-action verb. Here this is a table which is talking about, which is telling you which one are non-action verbs. Okay. So verbs for senses. Senses, you know, 5 sense organs we are having: see, hear, taste, smell. Okay. Verbs of feelings and emotions. In feelings and emotions के लिए हम कौन कौन से नॉन एक्शन वर्ब यूज करते हैं? लाइक, लव, फील, वांट, fear, respect. And verbs for mental states. Mental states are mental state. How do we feel mentally? Know, understand, agree, disagree, believe, doubt, trust, think, suppose, remember. Verb of possession. Possession, what does possession mean? Possession means to possess something. किसी चीज़ का आपके पास होना, कोई आपकी खुद की चीज़, आपकी प्रॉपर्टी. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग. दैट इज कॉल्ड पोजेशन. फॉर ओन, पोजेस, बिलोंग, कंटेन. ओके. So these all are non-action verb. You can use it whenever you want to describe any one of them. Either senses, either emotions, either state, mental or possession. Okay. Come to the next page. Here are more exercise for you. Is more exercise for you. B part. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of verbs. Simple present or present continuous. So you have to fill these blanks with the correct form of verb. You have to raise the sentence and only then you got to know that which form of verb will be used. Non-action or action. Okay. So Tanmay dash a lot of dry leaves. It is his hobby. So you know, for hobbies what do we use? You have read present tense. Hobbies comes under present tense. So present tense we use s and es with present tense. We do not use ing. Okay. So what will come here? Collect is given you here. So Tanmay is a third person. It's a name. Second person, sorry. So collects. S will be there with collect. So Tanmay collects a lot of dry leaves. कि Tanmay collect करता है. Okay, it is his hobby. रोज करता है या कभी कभी करता है. Right now he is not doing it. But in next sentence, Tanmay dash collected lot of dry leaves these days. These days मतलब nowadays. आजकल जब आप बात कर रहे हो तब भी. So वो आजकल कर रहा है आ रहा है यहाँ पे. So what will come here? Is collecting. He is doing this. Right now he is doing this when you are talking about it. So this action is going on. Action is happening there. So what will happen? Tanmay is collecting a lot of dry leaves these days. He have to prepare a botany project. So he is working on a botany project. That is why he is collecting leaves here. But here it is his hobby. So hobby comes under present, simple present tense. And it is his action. He is doing action for a project. So it is continuous verb. So what will come here? Here it will come action verb and here will come non-action verb. Next, hotels in Goa are usually quite expensive, but now they dash their rates because of recession. So in first sentence, this is a routine. This is a fact that hotels are in Goa are usually expensive. जो hotels हैं गोवा में they are expensive. वो expensive हैं, होते हैं. They are talking about a normal आई थिंक दैट इट इज़ अ फैक्ट दैट इट हैपन्स ऑल द टाइम. बट आजकल की बात हो रही, अभी की बात हो रही है. सो बट नाउ दे डैश देयर इज, स्लैश मीन्स कट डाउन, कोई चीज़ कम कर देना. they slash their wrist because of recession. But now means अभी, तो अभी it is taking an action here. But now they are slashing, अभी वो कर रहे हैं, the action is taking place. So अभी वो अपने rates कम कर रहे हैं recession की वजह से, okay, आर्थिक तंगी की वजह से. So what will come here? Slash is a verb and it will go with ing. So what will become? Slashing. But now they are slashing their rates because of recession. So this first sentence is using here non-action verb, and here it is using action verb. Okay, so that is how you have to do a rest of the sentences. Software engineers usually dash for 8 hours a day. Software engineer usually means normally, जो normal routine है software engineers का, what is it? It is that they works for 8 hours, करते हैं, वो काम करते हैं. It is a non-action verb. उनका रूटीन बताया जा रहा है कि दे यूज टू डू वर्क. बट ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ द करंट इकोनॉमिक, करंट की बात हो रही कि अभी जो है करंट इकोनॉमिक स्लो डाउन की वजह से व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, बट ऑन द अकाउंट ऑफ करंट इकोनॉमिक स्लो डाउन दे डैश for over 12 hours. But now is the action here. Now action is happening here. They are talking about the present condition. This sentence is talking about the normal condition of all days, but this sentence is talking about the present condition of right now. So what right now they are doing, because of the current economic slowdown, they are working for over 12 hours a day. अभी वो रोज कितने hours तक काम कर रहे हैं? 12 hours a day. Okay, then next, ध्रुव डैश दिस ब्यूटिफुल पेंसिल बॉक्स. सो ध्रुव इस पेंसिल बॉक्स को ओन करता है, ओन्स आएगा. ओन इज अ पोजेशन वर्ड, इट्स शोइंग द पोजेशन कि जो पेंसिल है वो किसकी है? ध्रुव की है. सो ध्रुव जो है इस ब्यूटिफुल पेंसिल बॉक्स का ओन करता है, उसकी है, उसको बिलोंग करती है, उसका मालिक है. ओके, यू डैश फिट दीज डेज. वॉट यू डैश टू अ dash to aerobic classes. So these days, अभी की बात हो रही है, बट यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? You looks fit these days. तुम दिखते हो, दिखते हो, तुम फिट दिखते हो, आजकल के दिनों में तुम फिट दिखते हो. So what is happening? dash to aerobic classes, कि क्या तुम aerobic classes के लिए जा रहे हो? Are you going for aerobic classes? क्या तुम जा रहे हो aerobic classes? Are you joining aerobic classes? So what is the answer? No, I dash not go to any aerobic classes. I dash for a morning walk regularly. So what he is saying that no, I am not going to any aerobic classes. So आजकल की बात कर रहा है, अभी की बात कर रहा है कि अभी मैं कहीं नहीं जा रहा हूँ. प्रेजेंट की बात कर रहा है कि एक्शन हो रहा है कि मैं नहीं जा रहा हूँ. इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन एक्शन. ओके, सो आई जस्ट डैश फॉर अ मॉर्निंग वॉक, कि मैं सिर्फ मॉर्निंग वॉक जाता हूँ. तो वो रोज़ की रूटीन बता रहा है कि मैं रोज़ जाता हूँ मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए, और मैं कोई एरोबिक क्लासेस अभी नहीं ले रहा हूँ. राइट नाउ आई एम नॉट टेकिंग. इट इज़ ऑल्सो एन एक्शन. नॉट टेकिंग डजेंट मीन दैट कोई एक्शन नहीं हो रहा है. इट इज़ एक्शन दैट ही इज़ नॉट गोइंग देयर. पर वो क्या कर रहा है? ही गोज़ फॉर मॉर्निंग वॉक. वो रोज़ मॉर्निंग वॉक के लिए जाता है. ओके, एस मान्या रेडी फॉर स्कूल. सो दिस फर्स्ट इज नॉन एक्शन वर्ब हियर, कि मान्या स्कूल के लिए तैयार हो गई है. नो, शी इज़ हैविंग हर बाथ. सो शी इज़ हैविंग इज अ एक्शन वर्ब, कि वो अभी नहा रही है. द एक्शन इज टेकिंग प्लेस. ओके, सो रीड दिस sentences and try to understand it. We will do till here and read it further so that you will understand it well, and you can try these all things at your home so that you can understand these all things well. Okay.